What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a new muffler to my car. I should make it a bit louder, and I'm kind of curious to see how it would sound. This is the muffler in question. It is 100% genuine eBay parts. I think I bought the whole exhaust for $100 last year, and I'm just kind of curious to see how it would sound with my header, my race header, and the Tanabe mid pipe. So I'm gonna get this on, see how it sounds. I want to be a racer, so it's got that sick as fuck blue tip. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. That's real titanium right there, buddy. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell people from now on. It's titanium, you know, with all this rust. That's what that does. But yeah, you know, it might sound good, it might not. We'll find out. The install should be pretty easy. I don't have any jacks, so it's gonna be kind of a bitch, but it's only 2 bolts and 2 hangers, so let's get into it. So I'm going to do a quick sound test to show you how it sounds right now, and then we can test if it sounds a bit better. Alright, so I got these 2 bolts out for the flange. Kind of bitch. So there goes the gasket. As you can see, the flange is off for my muffler to my mid pipe. So now all that's holding on the muffler are these 2 grommets, which are a bitch and a half to get off. So just use some WD-40 and they should come off pretty hard. They're pretty hard to get off, but they should come off pretty easy. Easier than they would have. So let's get this off. Alright, so we got my trusted WD-40. Can't go wrong with this shit. Alright. So, now we gotta somehow, some way, get this shit on the grommets, which I can't really see. So it's more just about feeling for them. These are still a bitch and a half. I hate these things so much. I fucking hate grommets. Okay, ooh, that one was easy, thank God. It's that fucking WD-40, man. Shit's like, lubes the shit up. Makes it really nice and easy to slip right in there. So now we're just doing this back one, which is holding all the pressure, so it's gonna be kind of difficult to do. That shit's nice. Oh my God. I'll clean this thing at some point, but alright, it's now time for the eBay trash, you know. High quality parts coming in. This is Spec-D tuning. High quality stuff, baby. Super quality. Get what you pay for, obviously. $100. It's a damn good price, man. For an exhaust. Fuck yeah. Alright, so we're going to try and get these back on the grommets. Once again, it's going to be kind of a bitch. Getting them on is harder than getting them off. Alright, exhaust is on by 1 grommet. Oh, I got one in. I don't know about this other one. Fucking Spec-D doesn't know how to fucking make an exhaust clearly, so I might have to take off a grommet, cause fuck me. It appears like that might be the only way around this issue. I'm just not getting enough ow, fucking cock.
Wow, that fell on my head. Yeah, I think I need to take off a grommet. Fuck. God damn it. I hate this exhaust. I don't like being a racer. Oh my god, it is. Oh my. It is on there, man. Shit is. Come on. WD-40, don't fail on me. Oh my god, I fucking hate you, Spec-D. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this off. I think.
Alright, so I finally got that fucking son of a bitch off that grommet. So in order to align this, I think it needs to just be on the left grommet, not the right. And I put it on the right one by accident, and it just, oh my god. Alright, so I finally got this muffler on. It was kind of a bitch and a half. It just didn't match up correctly with my mid-pipe. So I had to use a longer exhaust bolt from my header. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gold. It's a bit longer. But that should bring the two pieces together nicely. We're gonna check for leaks, do a little startup sound comparison, and then go from there. But it feels like there shouldn't be a leak. Feels very tight, so hopefully not. If there is, I can figure out something. But here is the first startup of this eBay ricer to expensive mid-pipe and race headers exhaust combination. Let's see how it sounds. Doesn't appear to be any, which is awesome. Let me just feel. I don't feel any air coming out. Awesome. So I think we got it. So I'm gonna do some drive-by clips. Definitely sounds a bit better. Obviously looks ricey as fuck, but I don't give a fuck. I'm a ricer boy. But yeah, overall, I think this came out really good. I'm sure it'll get more deep as it heats up a bit. But overall, I think it sounds really good. It sort of has more of a rumbly sound rather than a raspiness, which I like. I don't want to be a typical Honda ricer. It is not too loud, but it is loud enough, which I like. But overall, it was kind of a bitch to do. But yeah, I think it was worth it. It definitely sounds just a bit more raspy and deep. It has like a rumbly characteristic to it, which is nice. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.